Assalamu alaikum and good morning, respected parents and my dear students. I hope by the grace of Almighty, all of you are doing well. From April till November, 8 months of the teaching learning process completed, and Alhamdulillah, everything is going on very smoothly. We have completed the two tests also, that is periodic test 1 and the term 1 exam. Here, almost all the students has submitted their paper back to the school, but there are some students who are still left for the submission. For those students, tomorrow is the last date. Tomorrow means the 7th of November is the last date to submit your papers back to the school. Till the 12 o'clock, you can come and submit your papers. After that, from 8th to 18th of November, the teachers are not available in the school. So students and parents, I'm also requesting to you, if your child papers are not submitted to the school, submit it till tomorrow. Okay. There are some communication gap, or maybe some parent has not received the message. For those parent who has still not collected the paper from the school, I'm saying this for the classes 1 to 7. If any parent is there who has not collect the paper from the school, come and collect your paper tomorrow. Till 12 o'clock, you can come to school and collect your paper. Is these exams are important for your child promotion to the next class. Parents, I'm requesting you, if you are knowing any parent who is still not get the message, if you can pass to them, please pass them that who has not collected the paper from the school can come and collect the paper from the school till 12 o'clock on 7th of November. It is a joint effort from the school and parents to we have to ensure that every child should get the education. And I'm always thankful to the all parents for their wonderful support. Now students, there is a good news for you. As 8 months of online classes, you are doing very well and tremendous your contribution I'm observing, your enthusiasm I'm observing towards the learning. So from my side, a short break, okay? It's not very short also. From 8th of November till the 22nd of November, there is no online classes. Okay, 8 November to 22nd of November, no new uploads will be there on the channel also as well as on the WhatsApp group also. So you can enjoy this time period as well as you can develop some skills also. The students who joined the groups late, for those students, it is a time period when you can complete your previous work. You can watch your previous videos. Still, you have not gone through it. Okay? So, the students who already completed this work, they can enjoy, they can develop some new skills, and students whose work is still pending, they can utilize this time period in a good way and watch your video and remain connected to the study. Now, at last, I want to say first thanks to my management. From their guidance and support, this online teaching learning process is going on in an effective manner. Then I appreciate the hard work of my team of teachers. They are having only one aim, that every child should remain connected to the learning process. So, teachers, your hard work and your dedication will surely give us a brilliant future in form of our students. Thanks a lot. And then all my one students, keep your enthusiasm alive, remain connected to the learning process. Learning is not the formal education what you are learning in the from the textbook. Learning during this holidays, during this break also, you can learn some new skills. You can learn the values. Okay? Be thankful to Almighty. Be thankful to your teachers. Be thankful to your parents. And enjoy the time. So, remain healthy, stay safe, and have a blessed time ahead. All parents and students. Jazakallah khair.